losing, been rising, been changing, but so far never giving. Oh, I lost too much already. Wanna know if you're still alive. Wanna know, wanna know, wanna know, wanna know, wanna know. So tell me you're alive.
What up, y'all? Nick here, and today we're gonna be doing some light installs on my GSXR1000. Now, I've been looking at YouTube and, man, trying to get some inspiration on installing my LED light strips on my GSXR, and let me tell you, ain't shit on there. You know, you got some old crap. I'm just not happy with the videos I found on installing a LED light kit on here. So today we're gonna install one on here, and maybe this will give somebody else some inspiration. All right, let's see what I got. This is a 2017 model. You see it behind me, bow, bow, bow. So you'll see it in the thumbnail, but this is the kit that I have ordered off of the old Amazon. AM Bother. I don't flipping know. Here. But this is a 12-piece. Piece motorcycle LED light kit. So we're gonna be putting on some old LED light strips, and I'm gonna figure out where I want them. She's an old pretty bike there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So it was too intimidating with them all hooked up to the old harness here, so I went ahead and disconnected them all from the harness, and now I feel a little more comfortable with trying to figure out where I'm going to place these. And once we figure out where we're going to place them, then we can figure out where we're going to route the wires through the old framing majigger. So yeah. Alright, so real quick with this kit, this is the box. Gives it all the power, all the juice. And we are soldering. Here's my solder wire. Torch. So yeah, we are soldering these little connectors right here, right there. See if we focus right there. So yeah, and we are also heat shrinking. So and this will be plugging in. I'll show you how. I've got some cigarette lighters under the seat so that I'll show you. That's why I'm soldering this on the end. We'll be right back. Alright, so we just have them all ran and everything hooked up. We don't have no wires tucked yet, so right now we need to get to zip tying up some wires. So we're probably going to be removing the gas tank for sure, 100%. And we'll go from there, because the brain is going to be back here in the back. Now remember I showed you we installed a cigarette lighter. That's because I have one of these giant mamma jammas underneath the back seat. This one is for my phone charger and GoPro charger in the front. And then we got this one, of course, for the lights. And I still got a third one. If I want to hook up a rear camera, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get me a rear-facing camera, mount somewhere back here. So probably use the third one for that. So yeah, every time I go to ride, I just lift up the back seat, and I keep my registration and everything in here. So I lift up the back seat, I pull the registration, I just flick the switches, pow pow, ready to go. That's all it is to it. Very easy, and that is fused. There's a fuse on this, so if anything goes wrong, not to mention there's a fuse here, so it should be double protected with the lights. But yeah, let's remove the tank and get some zip tying up some wires. And I got extra links of cables here that I ordered just in case I'm not going to get almost done and realize, man, I need 4 more inches of wire. We all need 4 more inches. At least one, hell. Alright, let's pull the tank off, get busy. Alright, so real fast before I tuck and zip these wires, there's a spider. Figured I would show ya by placing tape on the bike where I actually put the lights to make it a little easier for you to see. So there's one light on each side right there. So there's two. There's a second light on each side. Just imagine it's on the other side of the fairing, the plastic. All right, so we got one there on the front. We got two right here. That's four. We got runs down the side right there. That's three. So 6. We got one right here. That makes 7. One is right here on them pieces. All right, so that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 10 in total. We have one right here on top of the swing arm on each side. Right on top of the swing arm, goes all the way up in there. That's 6 on each side. Then we have one on the opposite side of that tape on the swing arm. So that's 7 on each side. 14 in total. In case you're wondering where I placed my lights, give you a little bit of inspiration on where to place yours, just because where I placed mine. So let's tuck and zip these wires and hit the road. All right, we're done back together. All the wiring's nipped and tucked. And I'll show you guys this. This thing has saved my life. This job, this tool right here. Set it down, get the whole thing. So when you squeeze the end, it's got a pair of claws that come out. Good for grabbing stuff, nuts and bolts. It was also good for fishing wires on this project, so in case you don't have one of them, better get yourself one. Better get one, son! But yeah, we're good to go. Let's go test this baby out.
Been fighting, been chasing, been rising, been changing.